everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you 17 simple arithmetic functions in Google Sheets. So let's get right into it. Function number 1 is addition. Go to a blank cell, type equals to, and then type in the numbers that you would like to add. I'm going to type in 123 plus 55. Now click enter and it's going to show you the sum of the numbers. Alternatively, you can type in the cell numbers. So for example, I'm going to type A1 plus B1. Click enter and it will show you the sum of A1 and B1. Function number 2 is subtraction. Go to a blank cell, type equals to. Now I'm going to type 56 minus 13. Click enter and it's going to show you the results. For multiplication, simply change the minus sign to an asterisk. Click enter and it's going to multiply it. And for division, change this to / and click enter. The fifth function I will be showing you is the sum function. You can use this when you want to find the sum of multiple cells. Go to a blank space and type equals to sum, open brackets, and type in the range of numbers you would like to add. I'm going to do B2 semicolon to B6, close brackets, and click enter. And it's going to show the sum of B2 to B6. The sixth function is the average function. This function helps you find the mean of a range of numbers. So go to a blank space, type equals to average, open brackets. Now type in the range of numbers. I'm going to do A4 to A8, close brackets, and click enter. It's going to show me the mean of A4 to A8. The seventh function is the mean function. This helps you find the minimum value in a range of numbers. Go to a blank space, type equals to mean, open brackets, and type in the range of numbers. I'm going to do B1 to B8, close brackets, and click enter. It's going to show me the smallest number from B1 to B8. The eighth function is the max function. This helps you find the maximum value in a range of numbers. Type equals to max, open brackets, and type in the range of numbers. Now close brackets and click enter. And it's going to show me the largest number from A1 to A6. The ninth function is the product function. This multiplies all the values in a range. So type equals to product, open brackets, and type in the range. Close brackets and click enter. And it's going to multiply all the numbers from B1 to B7. The 10th function is the square root function. Go to a blank cell, type equals to SQRT, open brackets, and type in a number or type in a cell number. Close brackets and click enter. And it's going to show me the square root of A1. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the if function to check if a cell is greater than or less than a specific number. So type in equals to if, open brackets, and I'm going to do if B4 is greater than 200, comma, double apostrophe, yes, comma, double apostrophe, no, close brackets, and click enter. And since B4 is not greater than 200, it's going to return no. The 12th function is the percentage function. For example, I want to find what 20% of 150 is. So I'm going to type equals to 150, then type in the asterisk sign, and type 20% and click enter. And here it's going to show me what 20% of 150 is. The 13th function is the round function. This helps you round decimal numbers to the nearest integer. To use this, type equals to round, open brackets, and then type in the decimal number that you would like to round. I'm going to type 7.8, close brackets, and click enter. And it's going to round 7.8 to the nearest integer. The 14th function is the mRound function. This helps you round numbers to the nearest multiple. For example, I want to round 47 to the nearest multiple of 10. I'm going to type in equals to mRound, open brackets. Now I'm going to type 47, comma, 10, close brackets, and click enter. And it's going to round 47 to the nearest multiple of 10, which is 50. The 15th function is the GCD function. This lets you find the greatest common divisor of two or more numbers. To use this, type equals to GCD, open brackets, and then type in the numbers. So I'm going to do 12, comma, 8, comma, 6, close brackets, and click enter. And it's going to return 2, which is the greatest common divisor of 12, 8, and 6. The 16th function is the count function. This lets you count the number of numeric values in a range. To use this, type equals to count, open brackets, and then type in the range of cells you would like to check. I'm going to do A1 to A15, close brackets, and click enter. And here it's going to return the number of cells that have numbers, but it's going to exclude the cells that are blank or the cells with words. The 17th and final function is the count A function. This counts the number of cells that have numbers and letters. So to use this, type equals to count A, open brackets, and type in the range of cells you would like to check, and close brackets, and click enter. And here is going to return the number of cells that have numbers and words. So those are the 17 simple arithmetic functions that you can use in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.